Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fountain waterfalls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BBabe Desktop Waterfall Fountain Decor. If you're looking for more modern decor, you can go with this one. The height is 10 4/5 inches. Also, the durable fiber resin construction means the durability will not be a problem. The water flows across all 4 levels. With the help of built-in light, the illumination is proper, as well. It provides you with a reflective glow, which is one of the main advantages. The submersible electric pump on offer is completely quiet, which makes it easy for you to use it indoors. The fountain waterfall is not only aesthetically pleasing, but the sound of water is quite soothing, as well. Thus, if you're looking for a modern fountain waterfall, this is the option which you buy. Moving on at number 4, we have the PeterIvan 4-tier tabletop fountain waterfall. If you're looking for a comparatively large fountain waterfall, this one with a height of 11.4 inches is a perfect option. Also, the dimensions of this fountain waterfall are 8.3 x 8.3 by 11.4. It is portable. The polyresin construction makes it lightweight as well. It consists of LED lights that provide proper illumination, and the resin rock tabletop look adds to its aesthetics. It is quiet due to the submersible pump on offer. The relaxing sound of water is a welcome addition to any home or any premises. You need to add water to it and plug the cord to the electrical outlet. Once you do so, it is ready to operate. Thus, it is not only easy to use, but also the resin rock look makes it a visual treat. At number 3, we have the Chillscreamni Small Relaxation Waterfall feature. Are you looking for a small fountain waterfall? If yes, this 3-step waterfall will be perfect for you. The height is 8 inches, which means that it will not occupy a lot of space. Also, the exact dimensions are 7.9 x 7.9 x 8. The polyresin construction makes it durable. It also ensures that the waterfall is pretty lightweight. You can use it not only in your home but also in your office. With the help of a submersible pump, the water will circulate consistently. It consists of an LED crystal ball that can provide proper illumination. You need to connect the pump cord to the electrical outlet and start using it. You have to pour some water into the fountain before that. Thus, when it comes to compact and highly efficient fountain waterfalls, you need not look any further. At number 2, we have the indoor fountain waterfall with LED lights. The unique feature of this fountain waterfall is that it is in the form of a stone wall. If you're looking for a different design when it comes to fountain waterfalls, this one will fit your requirements. It comes with LED lights at the bottom, which can illuminate the falling water quite easily. The polyresin material means that you will not have to bother about wear and tear. It is lightweight and easy to move around as well. The low-maintenance design due to the inbuilt pump ensures that all you need to do is to get it up and running. You have to pour some water into the fountain and then connect the electrical cord into the outlet. Once you do so, it will run on its own. Once it starts running, the soothing sound of water is sure to soothe and calm your mind and senses. So, if you're looking for different aesthetics while buying a fountain waterfall, this is a worthy contender. And finally at number 1, we have the Timberland Namaste Zen Buddha Tabletop Fountain Waterfall. If you are looking for a different fountain waterfall, this Zen Buddha waterfall is a perfect choice. It features a Buddha statue in front of a rock wall. The height of this fountain waterfall is 11.5 inches. The exact dimensions are 11.5 x 8.25 x 7. The weight is just 9.2 pounds. That is why moving it around as well as keeping it on any surface is not a problem. It consists of an LED bulb that can provide proper illumination. With the help of a stone finish, you can be sure that it looks aesthetically pleasing. The fiberglass construction makes it lightweight. It consists of decorative pebbles at the bottom, as well. With the help of a water pump, the water rotates smoothly. You need to pour some water into the fountain and connect the 6-foot cord with an electrical outlet. Once you do so, using the waterfall fountain as a source of relaxation is undoubtedly possible. Thus, if you're looking for something unique, you need not look any further. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.